everybody. It's time to go back to being natural, using natural products. So I have in my hand the Purelife glass enema bucket. This is a 1 quart size. This is going to be the purest material, the most natural material that you can find for an enema. Now this is especially good for those who have multiple chemical sensitivities or just simply demand the cleanest material for doing enemas and the easiest to clean afterwards. They all have measuring marks so you can monitor your solution, and it's easy to see through. This is perfect for water, coffee, essential oils, wheatgrass, and probiotic enemas because it's so easy to clean, and it's dishwasher safe. It's 100% glass, including the connector. There are no plastic parts on this bucket at all. Now this bucket, you can either set on the toilet seat or hang with a harness, which we sell with this kit. And if you want a larger size than 1 quart, we've got 1.5, 2 quart, and larger by special order.